Databox Analytics Suite Pricing explained what you get for your money. Databox Analytics Suite is a platform designed to centralize business data and provide actionable insights in real time. Most people think it's just a dashboard tool, but the surprising truth is that it also offers goal tracking, automated reporting, and deep integrations with over 200 data sources. Pricing starts at per month for the starter plan, with the professional plan around per month, offering additional data sources, more dashboards, and advanced reporting features. Enterprise plans are custom and include dedicated support, so advanced permissions and SLA guarantees. Databox excels in providing visibility across key business metrics. For example, a sales team can track pipeline performance, marketing ROI, and customer support TBIS in a single dashboard. Automated alerts notify stakeholders if a metric falls below a target, ensuring proactive decision-making. Key features include live dashboards, pre-built and custom metrics, goal tracking, automated reporting, integration with CRMs and marketing platforms, and mobile accessibility. Enterprise plans add advanced security, dedicated support, and scalable infrastructure. In conclusion, Databox Analytics Suite pricing reflects a platform focused on making data accessible, actionable, and centralized. If your goal is to monitor performance, track goals, and make smarter decisions faster, Databox offers an all-in-one analytics solution that goes beyond simple reporting.